called Miniso, and they have a lot of Hello Kitty stuff in here. And I wanted to just browse with you. Let's come in and let's see what we could find. I want to show you this store. I've been here last couple weeks ago, and I bought some stuff. And I just wanted to show you. You have to bring your kids here. If you have the store near you, look it up on Google. Your kids are gonna love it. Let's go in there and let's see what we can find, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, so today I brought you to this store here they have at the Wellington Green Mall. You have to, if you live in South Florida, you have to come to the store and bring your little girl or your little boy, your children, because if they come here, they're gonna love this store. Like even adults love the store. I'm gonna show you what they have and the prices. It's just amazing. I love it. Let me flip the camera over. Look at this little mini. Oh, super cute. For $6.99. Isn't this cute? The little minion. This is a little minion. Look at this. Super cute little keychain. $6.99. I don't know if you have this store where you live, but I'm gonna just put it there so you can look it up. This store, if you have this store near you, in your city, you should bring your kids here because they're gonna love it. They have a lot of stuff. I was here the other day and I bought a little keychain and I bought a couple stuff. Little minions, look at this one, $9.99. These are $9.99. Smiley World. Super cute. Look at this one. I know you guys know this one. Kurami. Look at this. Isn't this freaking cute? And look, it's like a little crossbody purse and you could put your ID there. Kurami, so cute. I mean, I'm an adult and I love this store. I'm an adult and I love coming here. Super cute. $4.99 for these. And they have your little bags down there. These you could take to the beach with you. Look at this one. And then they have the cinnamon roll one. And they have the My Melody. They have the My Melody one. Super cute. Hi, My Melody. Don't you know everyone loves you? That is super cute. I would use this to go to the beach. Let's see what else they have here. Look at these little Hello Kitty ones for 10. These little mini coin. You can put maybe a couple cards in there and your coin. They have these Kurami one. Super cute, $10 for those. The Snoopy ones are gone. Look at that. There's only a couple ones left. $12.99 for the Snoopy one. Super cute. They have this one. $10. And they have them in red. Look at these Hello Kitty ones over here. Look at these little lunch boxes. $10. I love them. Look at this pink one. Yeah, if you find one of these stores near you, I highly recommend it. Your kids are gonna love it. Look at this self-care upward dog. Super cute. They have these little ones. So cute. Very nice. $12.99 for those. These are $5.99. And these are $6.99. Very nice. $13.99. $15.99 for those. And they come in a blue. And this one down here, look at this one, $13.99. Oh my God, guys, I'm gonna show you everything in this store, like for real. Look at these Hello Kitty ones for $8.99. Look at these up here, $10 for those. $7.99 here for the hugs, the little minion. Care Bears, $7.99. All these Hello Kitty ones down here. Look at this, $9.99. Let's see what they have on this wall. They have some little air fresheners here. They have air fresheners, lavender, citrus mint, jasmine. They have your little minion for $10. Those are super cute. Right here, they have your Mickey Mouse little pillows. I don't see a price on that. But look at the Hello Kitty. The ones on the top here are $12.99. And then they have, these are $15.99. These are $18.99. They come like a little backpack like that. Those are $18.99. It comes in pink also. They have the sandals, $9.99. They have your beige color. They have the pink, they have the blue. They have the cream color. $16.99 for these My Melody sandals. So cute. $16.99. They come in a blue and they come in a green color too. We have Snoopy over here. Look at Snoopy, $12.99. They have them in pink. Look at the pink ones. You know my favorite color is pink. More Snoopy, $12.99. Even for adults, look at this, guys. I'm telling you, this store is not just for the little kids, it's for adults too. $5.99, they have the little socks. They have all your socks here. $5.99, Mickey Mouse. Get this one. They have for the little ones too, $4.99. $4.99, all those are $4.99. Let's look over here. They have the little keychains for $6.99. Look at this one. Super cute. That little piggy in pink. Look at this one. I'm gonna show you guys the one that I bought. Look at this, $6.99. Big surprise. They're so cute. Look at this one down here. So cute. I'm telling you, the little ones will love it here. Cinnamon roll. Look, they have the little cinnamon roll ones. And Mickey Mouse. And then you have your Pink Panther. You have your Minions, your Lilo and Stitch down there. $6.99. Kurami, you got Kurami. Cinnamon roll. Look at these little ones, cinnamon roll. I love them all. Look at this one. So cute. All these little keychains, look at that. They're absolutely $7.99, $6.99. Look at this Minion one. $3.49. Look at these little ice cream ones. $7.99. $4.99 for these. I bought one of these. It looks kind of like this, but in white. $6.99. Super cute. Look at this one. The Little Mermaid, $5.99. And it also comes in the teal color. And your little minions. Your little minions, so cute. Look. Enchanted Forest. Yeah, but the one that I bought looks like this one. $5.99. $7.99. Look at this one for $7.99. Sakura. Super nice. Look at this purple one. And I'm gonna show you guys the candy that I absolutely love that I bought last time here. I bought some of these chewy ones for $2.99. They have the sugar-free ones. Yeah, I think it was a sugar-free one that I bought. These taste so yummy, guys, so yummy. And these soda pop ones, you have to try these soda pop ones. They're so yummy. They have the fruit combos, pineapple. I might have to grab a couple of these before I go. They have these, the berry mix, and they have the fantasy mix, $2.99. All of them are $2.99. And then over here they have your chips, crab shrimp chips. Still haven't tasted those. And they have these, vanilla cream filling. These are grilled seaweed. $4.49 for those. And these are $5.99. What is this? $1.49 for this one, choco biscuit. Let's keep looking, guys. Let's head to the next section. Let's head to the next section. Let's see. Oh, look, they have the little roll-ons too. This is so nice. The little Hello Kitty roll-on for $6.99 for your clothes. And over here they have some more little keychains for $10. Super cute. Let's see over here. They have little towels for $5.99 in pink. This is to put your soap. $1.99 for that one. This is to put your, I think, napkins in there. I think there's a napkin holder. That's what it looks like. They have this one for your little babies, $5.99. $5.99 for these little bath balls. Super cute. $5.99. Look at the toothbrushes. They didn't have the toothbrushes here for $3.99. They have tissues for $2.99. Care Bears. They have Toy Story. Look at the Toy Story one. And look at the monsters. That's super cute. Mickey Mouse scented perfume. Sheet pack is for $4.99. Cinnamon roll. These are the little cotton swabs for $4.99. More cotton swabs, $6.99. The little packs. But isn't this cute, guys? I can't believe this. $5.99 for these little cotton swabs. And they even have Toy Story here. They have the Toy Story ones.
I don't even know what this is. It's like a massage.
Bamboo sticks, cotton swabs. 500 for $3.99.
Hair drying towels with like little animal ears.
Wow. Steam eye mask, Hello Kitty. $5.99 for these steam eye mask. You got your sleep mask, $5.99. These are your little travel sizes that you can put in here when you're traveling. Super cute. Look at the Minnie Mouse for $6.99. Mickey Mouse. They got the Snoopy. That's super cute. What else do they have? They have some of these cups. You can put your water, $5.99. I like this one, the Snoopy one for $10. Super cute. They have this one for $12.99. Elsa one. And this is the little Minions for $5.99. I mean $17.99, I'm sorry. These are $17.99. These are $5.99, the one next to it. I like it brings a little sippy cup thing. Here we have more Hello Kitty. This is to put like your trash, I guess, $4.99. This is $3.49. Organizers, $2.49. $5.99 for this one. These are like little organizers, $7.99. You can put your makeup brushes in here, $4.99. $6.99 for this one. It's like a little organizer. Hello Kitty Sanrio. All those are little organizers there. They have these organizers, $6.99. These are $15.99. Toy Story. All those are organizers, $10 down there. And over here, look, they have some cute little plush ones. Look at this one for $15.99. These are gone. Wow. These are gone to the gone. Wow, they sold out. Look, they literally sold out. Look, $10. $10 for those. So pretty. Look at over here. More Hello Kitty. Collectible keychain. Super cute. They have some cups here, some Snoopy for $7.99. Snoopy. Look at this smiley face one for $10. Those are $10. They have these are $10. All these are $10. Look at this kitten one. So pretty. Minion. Look at this. Super cute. Mermaid. They have Care Bears. Look at this one over here. $3.99 for that one, and then $3.49 for this one. This is cute to use for a little girl, maybe to brush her teeth. She could use that for rinsing her mouth. They have some little nail polishes here. Hello Kitty. I just wanted to come in here and show you some things. The music is a little loud. $5.99 for those. They have the watercolor pens for $6.99. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what they have here in this store. I hope you like this little video of browsing. And I will see you guys on the next one. I'm heading out now because the music is a little loud, okay? I want to remind you guys to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video and you won't miss out on any of them, okay? I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.